Well, guys, it is a lovely full moon Halloween night. Shall we go for a little hike?
Yeah!
All right, let's go. Let's go for a hike in the woods.
Halloween,
Oh, it's getting a little foggy tonight. Hey, guys, should we go and wander deeper into the woods without a trail?
Yeah!
Ooh. Stay close. We don't want you to disappear like all those other kids that disappeared this week.
But those trees have woolly, spiky leaves.
Hey guys, I heard a strange noise. Should we go and investigate?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this fog's getting thick. Becca, have you seen Tommy?
No.
Tommy?
Tommy!
Let's go deeper into the woods to look for Tommy. Do you know where Nathan is?
No. We lost Nathan?
Yeah, Nathan's gone too, darn it. All right, let's go deeper into the woods and see if we can't find him, okay?
Good plan.
Okay. Oh, this fog is thick. I don't see Nathan or Tommy anywhere, do you? Hey, Becca, didn't you have Jacob? Oh, crap, we lost Jacob too. Becca, we've lost Tommy, Nathan, and Jacob. Do you know what this means?
No.
Date night! Yeah! All right, guys, should we get the hammock tent set up? Hop on in!
I still like this.
All right, shooting the sleeping bag. Well, guys, you like that hammock tent?
Yeah, it's like a trampoline.
It's the Halloween season, and it's time for a super scary Halloween camp out. And we're bringing the whole family. Becca and Jacob will be joining me, Tommy, and Nate. And we're gonna do some Halloween campfire cooking.
That's crazy, Nate. I'm going to try not to ruin the food.
Yeah.
Smells weird. Wait, this is my bowl.
It's like gutting a fish. Now, Tommy, hold on to the guts and seeds. We're gonna cook those up here, okay? Look who's here! Mama!
Went down a lot.
Get a whiff of that.
Yes, please. That smells great.
Yeah.
To make a jacket? No. Why? This is way high off the ground.
Oh, what you got there?
Pumpkin.
Oh, that's a big one. You need some help?
Nope.
You got it? All right. I'm messing with the food and I look up and all of a sudden this like 10-pound pumpkin is just barreling through the woods. So we're gonna go check out the carnage. Okay, here, watch out, watch out. Oh, it's pumpkin seeds, they're everywhere. Okay, don't, careful, careful, careful. We can still eat the pumpkin seeds. Oh yeah. Who's excited to climb back up this ravine with a pumpkin? Don't get back off. Oh yeah, that's a copperhead. But see how he's light brown, dark brown with light brown inside? Yeah, that's a copperhead.
I was like, what was he? Then I saw him.
See the tip of the tail? How it's yellow?
Yeah.
Baby copperhead's always got that.
Forgot about copperhead.
Yeah, we don't see them that often, do we?
Yeah.
Here's a whole bunch of seeds. They're all kind of on one side. Well, the pork and pumpkin has been stewing for about 4 hours, so we're gonna lift up the bin and see what it looks like. Whoa! Here.
Does not look good.
That's okay, we don't eat the outside.
The inside?
We eat the inside. All right, look, we got this nice loaf of bread here. That is perfect. First dibs go to Mama.
Oh my goodness, it's
Smell that.
beautiful.
I want some.
It smells so good. Yeah, you do want some. Very good.
That's very good. Yeah, like that.
Oh, good boy.
Oh. I
Mama, did that stew hit the spot?
So good.
Yeah. So I think Mama's gonna do a little painting, and I'm gonna try to cook up those pumpkin seeds, and then we've got some fun stuff planned for dessert later tonight. I think we're gonna make popcorn balls, and I've got some pumpkin pie stashed around here somewhere. And then we're gonna hang out in our hammock tent and tell some spooky ghost stories.
Why?
I'm trying to be bold and messy. What do you think?
I think you're being very bold, and it looks great.
When I'm in pants, so I'm very curious.
You guys want some fried pumpkin seeds?
Is it
Like 'em?
crunchy? Tastes just like pumpkin seeds. So delicious.
Oh, you dropped them inside. You gotta eat that.
They look horrible, but they actually taste good. Is that right?
Everything tastes better over a campfire and takes 10 times more work. I dumped the leftover popcorn kernels in the fire, and predictably now we've got popcorn, flaming popcorn going everywhere. Are you guys carving that pumpkin?
Yeah, look what I did. Can I try?
Now you can cut its top off.
Tommy, you can use these. What the pumpkin? No! 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 It's flat as a pancake.
Yeah. Just put some water on my hands and take the popcorn, mush it into a ball, and there we go. Popcorn balls. Who wants one?
I do.
There you go.
Hi.
Mama, you want one? It's basically just Rice Krispie treats with popcorn instead of Rice Krispies. Hey guys, having a good Halloween camp out?
Yeah. Nathan's going. He's not leaving here for stories.
Since it's getting so foggy, it's getting hard to see. Why don't you guys get in the tent and we can tell spooky stories?
Mommy.
Watch out. Here comes Dad. Woo! Do you want me to tell you a story?
Yeah.
A story about a brave man named Kevin Bacon and how he was trying to escape from worms that would grab people from under the ground. You sleep okay, Nathan? You okay, Jacob?
Yeah.
Tommy's in here somewhere. He's still sleeping. All right. Ready to go see Mama?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, guys, this is one of those campouts where we got to cut it short and get running home as quickly as we can. We hope you guys enjoyed it. We hope you had a good time. And if you want to see more camping videos from the Outdoor Boys YouTube channel, we got an entire playlist. I'll put a link in the description. We also have a whole bunch of campfire cooking videos, including a whole bunch of awesome recipes. And I'll put a link in the description to that video as well. But thanks for watching, and don't forget to click subscribe. I'll see you guys next Saturday morning. If you like this video, don't forget to check out the Outdoor Boys YouTube channel where we have hundreds of videos just like this. And don't forget to click subscribe so you can see other great videos every Saturday morning. And hit that bell button so you'll get notifications. Thanks for watching.